Taking a look at this knife from Almar, the Warrior's Edge. This one is a pretty cool and slim design. It's got the warning on the back over the clip like they usually do. This one is a very easy to open. It's called the Ultra Thin 40. It's got the AMK 4119 liner lock, or excuse me, frame lock. Look how thin that is. It's essentially as thin as the blade. Super easy open with that blue features. The flipper has a hole for a great look. It's also a great shape. The blade has a great belly. Great look to that grind. This is titanium. It's got a tip up carry with the cool Almar branding on the clip and on the blade. Very nice. Almost a fidget spinner. It's so easy to open and so fun to close. That grip looks like it's going to be very effective for use. So if you needed to cut a steak with this one or just open a box, this would make a great gift for someone who's into knives. Nice smooth titanium grips. Very nice. Hope this helps.